Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app. Select the import button. Select a photo. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Adjust the photo. Select the eraser. Remove the background color. Then select another photo. Adjust the photo. Save the photo. So the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Change the background color. Adjust the color. Copy the photo. So the copy option. Select another copy. Select another shape. Remove the background. Select the red color. Adjust the shape. Copy the shape. Select copy option. Adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.